What's up, guys? Trust you are doing good. Yeah, it's yet another day in Choma. You know the drill, guys. I am currently based in Choma, the Southern Province, and I have been putting up videos of this nature. I mean, just showcasing Choma. And so, right where I am here is the market. Okay, it's the market, and I'm right at the hardware section. And there's one outlet in particular. It's called Hikami General Dealers. Let me show you. So that's the name of the outlet. So most of the times I come here to buy some materials here and there. You know, they pretty much have whatever you may need in the hardware section. So look at that, guys. Pretty much, yeah. It's a very small place, but it's quite loaded. Trust me. So from here, I'm going to ride to a place where I get to have my bike fixed every now and then. You know, I've got two places. The major one, of course, is Smart Motors. And sometimes if I don't get what I want there, for the minor stuff, I do get to another location. There's one gentleman called Mr. Peary, a very nice, warm-hearted person. He definitely knows what he does. Anyhow, that's where I'll be riding, and you're gonna meet him. Cheers, guys. Yeah, enjoy the video. All right, Patrick, I will see you around. Yeah, thank you so much for the. Yeah, cheers, man. I'll be waiting to see the stickers around it. What I'll put. You, it's gonna be.
I would love to put them when you're going out.
Yeah. I tell you, he's going to be so delighted. Lushomo. he's the one who told me, like, I'm so disappointed. He had put the stickers and he's removed them. I know, right? Great, man. All right, I'll see you around. Okay, so let's go and see Mr. Peary. That's Choma Hotel right up ahead, and I'm turning left. Okay. Woohoo! Traffic is building up. I think I can steal a spot right here. Mbalizi General Dealers. This is where I'm coming, guys. Woohoo! And this is the spot. Oh, right. Let's see what's happening here. If he's not busy, then that's gonna be good. If he's busy, I don't know. I really don't know. Once, boss. Bueno, bueno. How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's up, man? This guy is still around. Walipo wapi? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right, nzawa embekeza kati.
I can't even stay in the